In this video, we're going to break down how you can set up a 24/7 music live stream, how you can gain a following by doing so, and why there's a fortune waiting for you once you know the steps. All you need is about 30 minutes of music. You can loop it into a live stream and then start growing today. That's literally all it takes to get the algorithm working for you. I've been running one myself and it's been a game changer for building connections. Fans know that they can hop on anytime and hear my music. That kind of consistency builds trust and loyalty that normal uploads can't. Of course, you do need the rights to your music, otherwise YouTube will copyright strike it and take it down. But if you have original cleared track, this can literally become a fan growth engine for your account. All right, so before we dive into the actual setup, here are the basics that you'll need to run your own 24/7 music live stream. First, a YouTube account, obviously, but you'll need your channel ready to go. There are a couple verification things that you need to set up before you can start live streaming. I'm not gonna get into that into this video, but just make sure that you have those set up. The next is a web hosting service. I'll be using Google Cloud Platform because it's reliable and it comes with $300 in free credits when you first sign up. So that should allow you to stream for maybe 3 months, depending on what kind of setup that you want. And then you'll also need at least 30 minutes of your music in a loopable video, preferably MP4. This is just the best format I've seen for OBS. This is the actual stream of your content. Even just half an hour can run indefinitely. Finally, you'll need OBS Studio, and this is what we're going to install on the hosting client. And this is the software that actually broadcasts to YouTube. Okay, let's get into it. So first you want to go to this website, cloud.google.com, and you can get 300 in free credits. So click that and then get started, and then just sign up. And I'm not going to do that because I've already done that. So once you've done that, you can go to a page like this, and we'll go to this hamburger menu at the top, and then we're going to go to Compute Engine, hover over that, and then we want to go to VM Instances. And once you've done that, we want to create an instance, and we can rename this something like YouTube Stream. It has to be all lowercase and it can't have any underscores or anything. Select the region that you want. I usually like to select something that's low CO2 to save the environment a little bit, and also it's lower cost as well. So I'm just gonna stay with this US Central Iowa. Zone any is fine, and then we'll stay with this E2. Then I'm gonna change the machine to standard and E2 standard 4. And this is probably the smallest machine that you can run, at least that I'm aware of. And you can see that that's going to be about 98.84 a month. And then what we also want to do is click on this OS and storage, then click this change button. We want to change the operating system to Ubuntu, and then we're going to select Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. And then if you want the stream to run a little bit smoother, I would recommend an SSD. It's going to be a little more expensive, but you're using free credits anyway, so that's fine. And then I like to change the size of the disk here to 100, just so we have room to work with. So now that's set up, we're going to click create at the bottom here. And then it will take some time, but it will set up a new virtual computer for you. And we'll just wait while it sets that up. All right, now that it's set up, we're going to click over on this SSH. And basically what this is doing is like the back end of the virtual computer that we're setting up. And then next thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna have a script in the description that you can just copy and paste. So it'll look something like this. And then you can just right click, paste that in. Let me try again. Command V, paste, enter. And then you'll be prompted to enter a password. So remember this password and you'll have to type it in another time. And then it will start running the script. Basically what it's going to do is set up a virtual computer with OBS, Google Chrome, and some other things that will help you run an OBS stream. All right, so now you might get this error because at the end of the script, it is rebooting the virtual computer. So we can actually just close out of that. And what we'll do next is we will actually have to remote desktop into this. If you're unfamiliar with remote desktop, on Mac it's called remote app or remote desktop, and you'll have to install it from the App Store. So what you'll see here on Windows, it's a little bit different, but it's pretty much the same idea. We're going to add a PC, and then when it says the PC name, that's where we're gonna take this external IP address and we're gonna copy that. And then I'm gonna paste it in here. And then friendly name, I'll just say YouTube Stream 2, add, and then we'll connect to it. It's going to say the identity of the remote PC can't be verified. Do you want to connect anyway? Yes, we want to connect. And then here we'll set up a username. I don't know if the username matters that much, but usually what I do is just the first part of my email, which is support, and not the @ we'll just do the username, and then the password that we set earlier. That's why I told you guys to remember that password. Then it should bring you to a desktop like this, and we just want to make sure that we have OBS installed. So we'll type in OBS and open up there. And I'm going to exit out of that. And this is the auto configuration wizard. So you can either use current, or I probably would drop it down to 30 just because it will have less lag on the stream. And then we might even drop that down even more, and then change your service to YouTube. Ask me later for the upgrade, and then you'll connect your YouTube account. I don't know if I can do this right now because I'm using my phone to record, but this is where you'll connect your YouTube account. Then you can log into your Gmail here too. So I'm just gonna sign into my Google Drive quick. So now I've logged into my Google here, and what I've done is now I have these live stream videos. I'm gonna take this video from my Google Drive, and you could upload it to Dropbox or anything. You're gonna download it onto this computer. What it is just a video of me DJing in the background, and then some text overlay, and then my song name. I like to have the song name, so if somebody wants to like look it up, they could go find it. And it's just my music in the background for 43 minutes. So you can really do it as long as you want, and however you'd like. People can just pop in and listen to your music. If you need help building a stream video like this, let me know in the comments and we can get you set up. Now we have our video downloaded. So it's in our downloads folder here. And so now we'll go back to OBS. We're gonna click on media source here. Actually, this wouldn't be here, so I'm gonna delete that. There's gonna be nothing here, right? So we wanna add something, and then we're gonna select media source and create a new media source. Then what we're gonna do is where it says local file here, we're gonna click the browse button. We're gonna go to downloads and then open up this looped video that we have. And by default, the video is not going to loop. So we wanna check loop here, and then that will just make sure that it continues to replay continuously. And then there you go, you have your video set up. And now the last step is to just start streaming. And that's very easy to do because OBS connects very easily with YouTube. So you'll just select this YouTube here and you can connect your account. So since I already have a stream going, I'm not gonna do this, but I'm sure that you can figure out from here how to just connect your account and start streaming. So that's pretty much all there is to it. And if you need any help or have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments and I'll try to help as many people as I can with this. If this was helpful, if you could leave a like or a comment, it really helps me grow this channel and give out free resources like this. Thanks and happy streaming.